this is how to make money off of all of your leads. Coming up right now. All right, so check this out, guys. We're going through the sales funnel process, okay? So I want to show you guys my sales funnel, and I want to show you guys a little bit about how to critique your sales funnel in order to go from lead to money in the bank. All right, so I want to show you guys exactly what I do as I go through the process of finding properties and marketing, because at the end of the day, we can, similar to bait on a fishing pole, we fish for these leads, we fish for more properties, and we fish for wholesale or flips. But what comes into the basket and what comes from those marketing is not always necessarily the lead that you're looking for, but it's going to be a profitable lead for you. So I want to show you guys exactly what a sales funnel looks like, so that way you can prepare yourself and structure your business and structure yourself in a way to where you're prepared to take advantage of all those leads that come your way once you do start to market. So we're going to talk about the marketing strategies that we use in wholesaling and rehabbing. We're also going to talk about the affiliate business partners that we create from doing the marketing that we've done, so that we can continue to make money off of each and every lead that we receive. So we're just going to go over the sales funnel now. I'm in one of my rehab projects. We'll do a quick walk around. I'll show you guys where we're at in this project. We put on an addition to this property. We also did a additional garage to this property. So we're in that rough phase where we're getting ready to do the bathrooms and vanities and put all of those things together. And so all of our walls and our windows are taped up. We're getting ready to paint. So this is a good opportunity to bring you guys into my office, and I like to just write right on the walls right before we get into that phase, because I don't spend my time behind the desk like a lot of other individuals. I'm actually flipping these properties, so I'm actually at my properties each and every day. So we'll take advantage of the opportunity with a Sharpie marker and a blank wall to show you guys what is needed to get a correct sales funnel, so that we can take advantage of every lead that comes your way. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys the sales funnel. Okay, guys, so the sales funnel is just that. It's a funnel. What we put in, we dump stuff in, and at the bottom stuff comes out. Okay, so let's go right into this, and so we can just start talking about our marketing. Okay, what we do in our sales funnel is we actually do our marketing. That's what this business is about. It's finding the motivated sellers, determining where they're at, and picking 5 to 10 strategies that we need to employ to start getting our phones to ring, to start receiving inbound leads for individuals that are motivated, possibly motivated, that need to sell their property. All right, so in our sales funnel, we've got our marketing, what we use to put leads in this funnel. We'll go through a couple of them. We've got postcards. Postcards is something that we'll do. What are some other ones? Yellow letters. Okay, we got yellow letters. We got driving for dollars. All right, what else? What are some other things that we do? Email campaigns, okay? Email campaigns, okay? Last but not least, the favorite, everybody's starter in this business is bandit signs. Bandit signs, all right? Good stuff. All right, so basically what we've got is we've got a funnel here, okay? So we've done our marketing, and now we've done these necessary things. Now, be sure to, I've always recommended people do the marketing that fits your budget. If you've got $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, you can do more email, you can do more postcard, you can do more direct mail to individuals. You have the ability to sustain yourself for a little bit longer until a deal comes through. What you don't have in money, you need to make up for it in time, okay? So you definitely need to get out there and do more driving for dollars, making bandit signs. So look out for my video on that, because we do have a video on how we actually employ all these marketing strategies, okay? So basically when you get this marketing that comes into your funnel, what comes out is not necessarily wholesale deals, okay? So you're sending these letters to motivated individuals. When you do bandit signs, those people are going to contact you, individuals that may be upside down, individuals that may have low equity. So let's go through a list of some of those different types of calls, some of those different type of different type of leads that you're going to receive. All right. So out of those different leads, you're going to receive low equity. Okay, you got low equity. You got high equity. All right. What else do we got coming out of there? We got individuals that are upside down. Okay, they owe more than their house is worth. What else do we got? We got people that are even equity. Okay, individuals that owe pretty much what their house is worth. Low, high, equity, upside down. Okay, and so from here, now we can see in our sales funnel that we've put some different marketing out, and what has come out, the calls that we receive, the emails that we receive, and the different responses that we receive are all across the board. Okay, so then what we have here is we have low equity and high equity, right? So your high equity sale, from your wholesale, you can cherry pick with your flips. Okay, and then also you can do partners. Partner flips. Okay, partner flips is basically where you partner up with the homeowner. Okay, so the homeowner may not necessarily want to walk away from $80,000 equity, but you may be able to work something out where you're added to the deed of the property. You fix the property up and take a percentage of the equity that's there. So that's something that I've done before in my younger investment days. So with high equity, you have these things that you're going to be doing in your business. But what about the low equity? There's not enough equity in these properties to flip or wholesale. Are you going to walk away from those? No. We're going to send these to our realtor partners. Okay? You send that to your realtor partners, right? Your realtor partners. Now, in some places, realtors cannot hand you kickbacks and cash back, but your realtors can take this funding and help you co-market. They can help you co-market, okay? So they can help you use the funds to help market yourself to create more deals. So it's another way to put cash flow back into your business, all right? Your even equity situations, these are positions where you can actually put yourself in a position to take advantage of lease options. You can take over their mortgage, you can lease option it back out to someone else under a higher advantage of terms, or you can just rent that property out if the cash flow is there. So as you can see, your sales funnel typically starts off with your marketing that goes in, and then from there, your sales funnel is funneled through, and what gets put out is not necessarily just wholesale deals. So if you're a wholesaler, or you're trying to get into flipping, you're trying to get into wholesaling, understand that this is what you're getting yourself into. You're not necessarily going to market, and everything that comes out and call that you're going to get is going to be a wholesale deal. Prepare yourself. Make sure that you're networking with realtors. Make sure that you have a wholesale pipeline of other buyers that you're set up to send other investors to send those deals to, so you can make some wholesale money. If you're at that point where you've got enough capital to flip, make sure that you have a criteria built for yourself, so when deals come across your desk, you can cherry pick the deals that meet your criteria, and then also leave that opportunity there, so that way if you can possibly partner up with the owner of the property to close that deal and still make money, you have that opportunity to do so. Even if it's upside down or they have no equity, there's still money in the deal. Investing is about having a bag full of tools. And if the only tool that you have is wholesale, you're missing out on a whole lot of money. All right, guys, this is the sales funnel training. Hopefully it was helpful. All right, guys, this is Terrence Lewis with LewisHelps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And please, if you do this and you have a sales funnel, or you have some sort of structure like this, please comment below. Let me know what you do in your sales funnel and how you take care of the leads that are coming out of your pipeline. Help others in the community go further and faster with real estate investing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Terrence Lewis with LewisHelps.